What's going on, you guys? It's Randy with Full Throttle Obsessions, and today we're just doing a little updated video on some of the projects I got going on. It is that time of the year again. We got Mudfest coming up. So as you can see, I got my 98 Jeep Grand Cherokee torn apart here. Got the front end out of it, and we're working on dropping the transmission because last year I ended up putting an internal slave cylinder in it. And unfortunately, that slave cylinder started leaking, so we're going to go ahead and drop the transmission, take the slave cylinder out and put a throttle bearing in, and use my old setup here. This is for an external slave cylinder mount we made up. Going to go ahead and throw that in. Then once we come back from Mudfest, I'll be taking the front end out again because I'm going to go a little bigger on the front end. We broke out there last year, but we kind of band-aid fixed it because it actually bent the housing a little bit. So we'll be pulling that back out and doing a bigger front end for it. Then of course we got the 67 Jeep truck on 51-inch tractor tires. It's going to be out there. So we got the motor in the rear. Something at Jackson, we got a flat right now we got to fix. That'll be out there also. Definitely no shortage of projects going on, especially for this time of the year. Got plenty of projects. But alright, you guys, as always, if you like my videos, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you.
Come on, Randy!